Interactive graphics system components. An interactive graphics system typically consists of the following components. Input devices. These devices allow users to interact with the graphics system, such as through mouse clicks, touch gestures, or keyboard input. Some examples of input devices include mice, touchpads, keyboards, and game controllers. Graphics hardware. This includes specialized hardware, such as graphics processing units, GPUs, that is designed to quickly and efficiently process graphics-related tasks, such as rendering 3D images or performing complex mathematical operations. Graphics software. This includes the operating system, drivers, and specialized graphics software, such as game engines or 3D modeling tools, that runs on the computer and communicates with the graphics hardware. Display device. This is the screen that displays the graphics generated by the computer. Display devices can include traditional monitors, laptops, smartphones, and virtual reality headsets. Interaction software. This is the software that mediates between the user's input and the graphics system, determining how the user's actions should influence the graphics that are displayed on the screen. Memory. This includes the computer's main memory, RAM, and secondary storage, e.g. hard drives or solid-state drives, which are used to store the data and instructions required to create and manipulate the graphics. Central Processing Unit, CPU. This is the main processing component of the computer, which is responsible for executing instructions and performing mathematical calculations. The CPU works in conjunction with the GPU to process graphics-related tasks. The components of an interactive graphics system work together to create a seamless and immersive experience for the user. By processing graphics-related tasks quickly and efficiently, the system is able to display high-quality graphics in real time, allowing the user to interact with the graphics in meaningful ways. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.